hit a switch and they flipped your plate. Where'd you get that?
Oh man, follow me on IG and I'll let you know.
Got you.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Yeah, all right now.
So who did the work?
Me and one of my buddies. Yeah, this guy right here.
Man, I need
Best guy in Alabama, man. Best guy in Alabama, definitely, yo.
That thing. They go Vet City. Look at them. Yeah. My boy Vet City. No, did y'all see the tag flip? Oh, we got the. Did y'all see the tag flip? It flipped. Okay.